Hello guys and welcome again. In this video we are going to talk about arithmetic operators in Dart. As any language, Dart has all the arithmetic um, operators. So let's start with the um, sum, okay? So A equal 5 plus 2, which you guessed it, it will be 5 plus 2, it will be 7, okay? So if you run, it will be 7. Okay, let's do now the minus. B minus 2, what the value will be? 3. And if you look, it will be 3. Apart from also minus, we have, let's use actually multiply. So if you do multiply, the value will be 5 multiplied by 2, which will be 10. Now we have also divide. So if you divide 5 by 2, what the value will be? Yeah, that's correct, 2.5. But there's another kind of divide which will return an integer value. So let's try it. Let's try this kind of divide and see what the value will be. What do you think here? We said 5 divided by 2, it's 2.5. But what about this kind of divide? What the value will be? So it will be just 2. So what this will do, it will always round down to the lowest value. So if you just this, we said 5.2, it discarded this part, it's 2. And even if it's like 5.9, okay, which is almost, I believe, let's try it here, it will be almost like 3. If you run, see here, 2.95, but this one will always discard it, okay? If you see the last one, 5.9 divided by 2 with this kind of divide, it will return always an integer. Always it will discard this part, okay? There's also the modulo, which is will return the remainder of dividing two numbers. So if you 5 modulo 2, it will be 1, okay? But let's say if it's 6, okay, if you run, it will be 0, because 6 divided by 2, there's no remainder, correct? And we use usually also this to check if something is even, okay? So final is even. What we will do, we can do this. If the remainder of this number divided by 2 is modulo by 2 is 0, that means it's even. Let's try it. Is it correct or no? Let's run. True, 6 is even. But what about 5? Let's try it. Let's see. 5, false, it's not. And the last operator, arithmetic operator, which is the negation or the minus. So minus 5, this is just the operator. It's unary operator, so unary operator. So if you run, it's just minus. I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Please, if you have any questions, just add into the comments section, and don't forget also to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.